What's up, good people? We're here with one of our good clients to talk about some of the work we did for them and ask them a few questions. We're here with Tori. Tori, thank you for this time today.
No problem.
Explain to us what we did for you.
So we actually quite a bit done. We had our kitchen totally remodeled. We got rid of kind of an existing smaller island and made one big island, all new cabinets, countertops. We also redid our master bathroom, added in a big walk-in closet, and then we totally redid our kids' bathrooms upstairs, got rid of their bathtubs, made them showers.
Good. Yeah, it was a pretty big project. We started in the kitchen and then we ended up all over the house. So It kind of expanded on us, but it was great. We got in and got out, turned out really good. Why did you choose A-Team?
I think for us, from the minute we met you, you walked in the door, you just made us feel comfortable, and we felt very confident in, the things we talked about, and we knew that, we'd end up with a good finished product. You were easy to communicate with, and we knew that would go well. So
good. And then, I always like to ask the clients, so what was one thing that was unexpected during the project?
So honestly, I thought about this a little bit, and I feel like overall it went very, very smooth. There's always like the little things, when the door was delivered, there was a big ding in the door. So we had to wait a while for that. And one of the toilets was broken when we opened it. So that kind of set things back a little bit there. But, I would say maybe just those little things were unexpected, but there wasn't really anything big, huge,
Yeah, this one went pretty well. We had pretty good luck with things. You said maybe some things on the shipment, but it did go pretty smooth for us. So it was a good project for us. And then, lastly, would you choose to work with A-Team again?
Oh, definitely. In fact, I've got my list already of things we're going to do. So yes, definitely, 100%.
Well, good. Well, we'll be excited to knock those things out. And if you need help, give us a call. We'll be glad to help you.
You envision, we remodel. A-Team Renovations.